Welcome back to our channel. Today, we dive into the incredible AI projects that are revolutionizing various industries and changing our future. Buckle up and get ready for a journey into the future, because the future is now. Our first AI project takes us into the realm of healthcare. Imagine a world where diseases can be detected early, improving treatment outcomes and saving lives. Well, thanks to AI, this vision is becoming a reality. Researchers have developed algorithms that can analyze medical data, such as X-rays, CT scans, and genetic information, to diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy. This technology has the potential to revolutionize medical care by providing doctors with invaluable insights and helping them make informed decisions. Cut to visuals of doctors using AI-powered diagnostic tools. But AI isn't limited to just diagnosing diseases. It's also making significant strides in the field of drug discovery. Traditional drug development can be a slow and expensive process, but with AI, scientists can analyze vast amounts of data and identify potential drug candidates more efficiently. This not only speeds up the process but also increases the likelihood of discovering breakthrough treatments for various conditions. Cut to visuals of scientists working in a lab with AI assistants. Host. Moving on to the transportation industry, self-driving cars are no longer a thing of science fiction. AI algorithms are being employed to create autonomous vehicles that can navigate our roads safely and efficiently. These cars use sensors, cameras, and advanced machine learning algorithms to perceive their surroundings and make real-time decisions. With autonomous vehicles, we can expect a future with reduced accidents, improved traffic flow, and enhanced mobility for all. Cut to visuals of self-driving cars on the road. AI is also making its mark in the field of education. Adaptive learning platforms, powered by AI, are tailoring education to individual students' needs. By analyzing a student's progress and understanding, these platforms can create personalized learning paths and provide targeted feedback. This approach ensures that each student receives the right level of challenge and support, leading to improved educational outcomes. Cut to visuals of students using AI-powered educational tools. Another fascinating AI project is taking place in the world of art. AI algorithms are being used to create stunning and thought-provoking artworks. Artists and technologists are collaborating to develop AI systems that can generate unique paintings, sculptures, and even music. This fusion of human creativity and machine intelligence opens up a whole new realm of artistic expression and challenges our notions of what it means to be an artist. Cut to visuals of AI-generated artworks. Finally, let's explore the impact of AI on the environment. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and AI is being harnessed to address this global challenge. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of environmental data, helping us understand patterns, predict changes, and develop more effective strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change. From optimizing energy usage to monitoring deforestation, AI is empowering us to make smarter, more sustainable choices. Cut to visuals of AI monitoring environmental data. These are just a few examples of how AI projects are shaping our world. The future holds even more exciting possibilities, as AI continues to evolve and integrate into various aspects of our lives. It's crucial to stay informed and embrace these advancements to fully harness their potential. That's all for today's video. If you found this exploration of AI projects inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And remember, the future is now, so let's embrace it together. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay